guys, it's Ruba. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a super exciting video about literally the best moisturizer in the world. And you can use it on your face or on your body, so it's awesome. So this is the Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration by First Aid Beauty. So my little background story on how I found this moisturizer is in high school I had acne around my forehead, and so I went to a dermatologist and got a cream for my face. It was one of those acne creams that you just put on your pimple and it's supposed to dry it out, but unfortunately it also dried out the rest of my skin, and so literally I ended up with skin that was peeling and super dry and flaky and just absolutely terrible. And so I obviously did not love that, and so I tried to look for a moisturizer that would get rid of the dryness and hydrate my skin. And so I tried all different types of moisturizers. I looked around, I tried to find the most hydrating, and unfortunately just nothing would get rid of the flakiness. It all would feel either too oily on my skin, or the flakiness wouldn't actually go away. It would just kind of moisturize the dry skin without getting rid of the dry skin. I don't even know if that makes sense, but they pretty much, none of them really worked. And so I went to Sephora one day, and at this point I'd kind of accepted the fact that when I was on my acne medicine that my skin would be dry, and so I was just like, whatever. But one time I was in Sephora and I talked to one of the sales associates, and she recommended that I try this moisturizer, and it honestly, you guys, changed my life. I immediately noticed my skin getting moisturized and it wasn't dry anymore, and it was just absolutely great. And the best thing is I feel like once I apply it, it really like seeps into my skin, and it doesn't feel like just like a layer on my face like a lot of other moisturizers do. And so it comes in two sizes. It comes in like a little tube about this big, and then it comes in this big jar, which I buy because I love this stuff. I love it so much that I actually have, this is my backup jar, and then I'll show you guys mine. This is what mine looks like, because I literally use it so much that the little cup words got off. And so I'll show you guys the inside of it. So it just looks like this. It looks like a normal moisturizer. And so I'll apply some, just like this. Moisturizing my hands. I wish you guys could feel like how soft my hands are right now. And so like I said before, I usually use this for my face, even though you can use it on your face or on your legs or your whole body, but I personally use it for my face, and it just is so amazing, you guys. So I will put a link below on a link to the moisturizer. You can get it on Sephora's website, Ulta's website, or in stores. And yeah, I really wanted to do this video, not because they sponsored me, although if they wanted to I would be so down, but I really wanted to do it because I know a lot of my other friends do struggle with acne, and they have to put on cream for it, and it makes their skin super dry, or they just normally have super dry skin, and I will give them a little bit of this in a tiny jar, and I'm like, y'all have to try this, and they all love it. And so definitely recommend it. Definitely check it out. And as always, please like and subscribe and comment on my video. Thank you guys so much for supporting me so far. I've had so much fun making videos, and I am going out of the country for 2 weeks tomorrow, and so I won't be posting videos for a little while, but once I am back in the United States, I will be up and post some videos, so please stay tuned. And as always, let me know if you guys have any video requests or you have anything that you would love to see, and I will make that for you guys. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.